Greetings. Air pollution in Tbilisi is caused by the spread of sand masses from the Karakum desert. According to weather forecasters, transboundary pollution is a meteorological phenomenon that is recorded on certain days throughout the year. Dismantling of New Year's illumination continues in Tbilisi. Therefore, traffic on the avenues of the capital will be limited at night. Georgian footballer from the Italian club Napoli Khvicha Kvaratskhelia became interested in English clubs Manchester United and London Arsenal. Clubs are willing to pay £250 million for Napoli players Khvicha Kvaratskhelia and Victor Osimkhen. However, the director of Napoli says that Kvaratskhelia is not for sale. The short film Duck Hunting by Georgian director Georgi Kabalia won various awards at several prestigious international film festivals. On January 21 in Tbilisi, Russian citizens living in Georgia held a rally in front of the Swiss embassy, where the Russian Interests Department is located, demanding the release of Alexei Navalny and political prisoners. And today, on January 22, in Tbilisi and in the Central Park of Batumi, Ukrainians living in Georgia, together with the citizens of Georgia, held a rally on the occasion of the Day of Unity of Ukraine. The UEFA delegation visited Georgia and got acquainted with the preparations for the 24th UEFA European Under-21 Football Championship. The main part of the matches will take place at the stadiums of Tbilisi and Kutaisi. The championship will be held in Georgia and Romania from June 21 to July 8 this year. The final match will be held in Batumi, and the opening match of the championship in Romania. Group matches will be held at 4 stadiums, in Tbilisi, Poti and Batumi. The world's largest online trading platform Amazon may open an office in Georgia. Good luck to all of you.